So I'm assembling the Tamiya Midnight Pumpkin Black Edition along with a Thorson transmitter and receiver for the remote. Bought it at Hamley's. It does not come with the remote speed controller, but they said it will. It does not. You need to buy it separately. So anyway, what we have here is the initial setup to make sure that your RC system and transmitter is working. If you see the manual, this is the first step that they have, but it's a bit confusing, especially when you have different branded remote such as how I have Thorson here. So if you look at this system, this is your battery, make sure to keep it charged. This is your servo motor that powers the wheels, and this is the servo that is to control the direction, the wheels, the steering if you will. Now the tricky part is connecting this steering servo with the transmitter. So if you observe, sorry, receiver, if you observe, this is the RC receiver, and you have 4 pins here. Like if you see 1 2 3 4, okay. So the way it's supposed to be connected is, I got very confused here, but had to figure it out later. Your servo motors wires, servo motors wires should go into the first pin slot, the number 1 that is being shown here. Your servo motor wire should go there with black wire facing the right side, okay. And your power input also, the black wire should face the right side, and your power input should go into 2, okay. If you put it in 1 4 1 3 1 2 4 like that, it won't work. It needs to be servo in 1 and RC receiver in, and the power input in 2. Now this is your power controller. This also has different settings. If you observe here, these plastic bits I am showing you right here, they need to be changed. So if you have a NIMH battery or a LiPo battery, the second one needs to move left or right depending on the positions they are showing there, and same for the torque. This controls the power delivery, so you have torque and other figures as specified by the vehicle. Now this is the motor, and this is the controller. The controller is straightforward. I'm sure anybody will be able to figure it out. Now once you have the system connected, you need to pair the controller with the RC receiver. This button you see right here, this small button, this black button, press that and turn on your remote and it will be connected. Okay, now let me turn on the power input. Okay, the power is now on. You can see all the lights blinking and all. Now I am turning on my receiver, and here you can see okay, that working. And here you will be able to see, if you rotate this thing, this rotates. Yeah, I hope this helps anybody who is trying to figure out how do you make these connections.